Welcome to Markeflex Gold Research and Trading Institute. We are a premier training institute based out in Bengaluru. We are happy to announce another 170% return in less than 3 weeks of trading. In this, we're trying to show you how we have managed to make more than 100% in less than 21 days of trading. This is the power of technical analysis. The most important thing in trading is to invest the money in learning, because that is when you understand the most and the insight comes from. So you can see the deposit is around $1,069 and the profit which has been made is around $1,798 and $1,000 have been withdrawn already. By looking on to this kind of trading analysis which we do in our institute shows the competency of the education for trading. If you want to be competent in trading, please get in touch with us. We would be happy to help you. Have a nice weekend and safe trading. Thank you.